Welcome. In front of me is a WIEPPO S5, and today I'll show you how to put the device into boot mode. And to get started, hold the power key, and from here select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, all you will need to do is hold the power key and volume up. So power, volume up, both of them at the same time. And there we go, we're now in boot mode. Now in here you'll use only volume up to navigate, and you have three different options. So you have recovery mode, Fastboot, and also normal boot. So whatever you select, you'll then confirm it with volume down. So because I want to leave this mode, I'll select normal boot, volume down, and this will confirm it. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.